Hi. Let's learn about the Kanban system. Kanban is an inventory control system used in just-in-time manufacturing. It uses visual cues to prompt the action needed to keep a process flowing. The Kanban system can be thought of as a signal and response system. When an item is running low at an operational station, there will be a visual cue specifying how much to order from the supply. The person using the parts makes the order for the quantity indicated by the Kanban and the supplier provides the exact amount requested. The Kanban system can be used easily within a factory, but it can also be applied to purchasing inventory from external suppliers. The Kanban system creates extraordinary visibility to both suppliers and buyers. One of its main goals is to limit excess inventory buildup at any point on the production line. Limits on the number of items waiting at supply points are established and then reduced as inefficiencies are identified and removed. The Kanban method has several core principles that define how processes occur and how team members should be involved in the process. The Kanban process utilizes Kanban boards, organizational systems that clearly outline the elements of a process. Kanban boards are the biggest picture of a process that organizes broad aspects of a workflow. Kanban lists are the to-do items within each board, and Kanban cards live within lists and represent the most detailed action items needed to complete the list. To enable real-time demand signaling across the supply chain, electronic Kanban systems have become widespread. These e-Kanban systems can be integrated into enterprise resource planning systems. Toyota, Ford Motor Company and Bombardier Aerospace are among the manufacturers that use e-Kanban systems. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. Kanban is an inventory control system used in just-in-time (JIT) manufacturing to track production and order new shipments of parts and materials. 2. Kanban was developed by Taiichi Ohno, an industrial engineer at Toyota, and uses visual cues to prompt the action needed to keep a process flowing. 3. One of the main goals of Kanban is to limit the buildup of excess inventory at any point on the production line. 4. Kanban also strives to limit bottlenecks by promoting communication and information sharing between individuals and departments. 5. Successful implementation of Kanban may lead to reduced expenses, greater customer satisfaction, more efficient processes, and minimized risk due to unforeseen problems. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.